Welcome to the Chillin' Show, folks. So I have, may or may not have, not really did a good job in keeping up with the laydown yard at the house, the flat that I was cutting in. I started a playlist and I put 2 videos on it, and yeah, I've done some work since then. But I've taken all this dirt and put down this hill. Like I've stated, I want to be able to turn around in here. So as you can see, it's starting to wash pretty bad, and I had a culvert up here coming across the driveway. And it was coming across the road. I knew it would, but it was washing down this and washing out what I'd put down there. So I dug this ditch, and yeah, so that's the project for the day while I got some time. And we're gonna put those 2 pieces of culvert that I've pieced together, scraps from people, piece those together, get it in this hole, dig it a little bit deeper, and hopefully get down here and test it out with the truck and see how much room I actually have. So enjoy. Alright, so need to finish up cleaning that up, but I think that's about it. I need to get a few rocks down through here. I'm just going to pick up some small, fist-sized rocks, or a little bit flat ones like this one right here. Stack those up in there to try to help the bank from washing out, but that widened it up a little bit. I should be able to get the truck in here, grab the truck since the trailer's hooked up, and pull down in here and see if I can't get this thing turned around. Yeah. Let's get that truck down here and see what happens. That was a bust. That was bad. I ran over my rock. I'm gonna have to go deeper back there. Yep. A little disheartening. I can always go up here to the house, turn around, and then back down in here and leave it the way it is. Plenty of hours wrapped up in it, but it'd be nice to pull down in here and back up. But as you can see, it's a little bit harder than I expected it. Yeah, so I guess I need to go back a little bit farther, get another 10 foot. It's not necessarily a bad thing, it's just more work. What's embarrassing about all that is I'm a truck driver. Yep. And just like that, I've gotten started. So I got the trees pushed down here. I am good and sick of dealing with brush piles. I already got that huge brush pile I had in the previous videos burnt, and then I've created that brush pile. So this, I think I'm going to take a chainsaw, cut it up into bite-sized pieces, and make a nice compact little brush pile right there and let it rot. I'd love to use this dirt for the turnaround, but I don't think I'm going to be able to. So if I come in about another 5 foot right there, I stay away from that root ball of that tree. I really don't want to deal with that tree. It's just a lot of cleanup, a lot of work. I don't really want to do it. So stay about 5, 6, 7 foot around the bottom of it, and there's a stump right in there. I'm going to take that stump out, take all this dirt, and work it into here. So this is a nice flat spot right here too. Then I'll be able to pull the truck all farther up in here and then back into that hole like you seen earlier, which was a utter fail. So yeah, I got some other things, other chores to do today, so we're shutting her down and leaving her here. I should be able to work on it some later in the week or tomorrow if the weather holds out. But I got the rock fixed over the tile. Like I said, once this brush pile's gone, I'll be able to swing out of here a lot easier, and I might even cut a road in at an angle up there. I'm not really sure, but got tile in. That was the main goal for the day. Got that ditch trued up. That'll find its way down through there. But yeah, I guess let's make her bigger. So thanks for watching Chelton Show, and stay tuned for, I guess, what's that, part 4. God bless.